Hi YouTube. I have a trade box from Aaliyah Zebra. I think I'm pronouncing that right. I'm actually not entirely sure. But they're very cool. Go check out their channel. Got this really cute box. I actually accidentally spilled paint on it because I was drawing fur over the top of this box without thinking. So sorry about that. But other than that, we got some cute little drawings here. Red. And this guy is so cool. I don't even know what he is, but he's really cool. Alright. And a little I'm home, which is so cute. It's time to open this up without destroying any of the contents. I'll feel packaging. I don't know if you can see anything or not. No. What's a bubble wrap? Oh wait. I have these same bags but much smaller. Wow, there's all sorts of stickers in here. Okay, hold up. I'm getting distracted by the stickers. We'll take a little peeksy-weeksy at these. There's all sorts of good ones in here. I have a sticker dresser now, which is just my regular dresser that I've decided I'm going to cover in stickers. And these are going on there. Got like some little butterflies, some moons, Hello Kitty, more Hello Kitty, a sandal, many stickers. I'll show a picture of all of them together. But I cannot get too in the weeds here because we have a mask to unbox. I don't know how to open this without looking. This is more complicated than I originally anticipated. I think I see colors. I think I see brown. I don't know. Can you see now? Oh, there you go. Oh my gosh. What is it? Come on, YouTube, tell me. I see all sorts of really cute brown though. Oh my goodness. He's so cute. Look at him. Dude, the highlights in the eyes. Oh my goodness. This fur is actually so soft. I feel like whenever I color fur, it ends up being super crispy. But this is so soft. Look at that guy. He's so handsome. And the lining on this, hello? That's so good. I need to take some tips here. And I love the little like thank you tag on here. It's so sweet. Ah, look at, he's hiding. This might also go on my sticker dresser. Wow, I'm floored with this guy. His shape is so nice. Like, I don't know if it's foam clay or, but like this is all completely raised. It's not just painted. It's like they built all these wonderful shapes. I'm so happy with him. He's so cute. He needs a name. I need some ideas for his name. I think there was still a little card down here, so. Oh, there's a couple little cards. And a lot of hot glue. Alright. Ooh, it is like, it's wax sealed. Oh, another little I'm home. There's a little wizard cat standing on books, says the seal here. This has taken me so long to actually do this trade video. It's been sitting on my shelf driving me nuts. Ah, it's so cute. To Tail Squared Gold. Hi, thank you so much for doing a mass trade. I'm so delighted and happy that you offered. I made you a little bunny. Oh, he's a bunny. I thought he was a dog. Sorry. The ears bend as well. I really hope you like the mask, and I can't wait to see the one that you made me. I also hope you enjoy the stickers. I wish you the best with your YouTube channel, and I can't wait to see how far you will go. Remember not to give up and always stay positive. Thank you for this experience, Aaliyah Zebra. That's so sweet. Thank you so much. He's so cute. His ears, look at these. Look at the coloration on that fur. Alrighty, I'm gonna try him on. One sec, be right back. He's so comfortable too. I do have to tighten the strap a little bit, I think. Hi. Look at him. Roar. He's surprised And now he's sad. I could do this all day. Hello. Alright, YouTube. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you next time. Goodbye.